Come in.
Hey, Jonah. Are you busy?
Yeah.
Can you come downstairs? We need to talk.
Alright, just give me a minute.
Why do I even have to keep talking to you about this kind of stuff? It's not that hard to do dishes every now and then, you know? A little help around the house would really be helpful to me. Hey. Jonah?
Sorry, what?
Hey, are you okay? You've barely been listening to me recently, moreover even talking to me or the rest of your family.
Yeah, I'm good. I've just been, like, really busy with the school and stuff.
Well, you really need to stay on top of that and your chores. And I'm really hoping that you keep your GPA up. That way you can get some really good scholarships for college. And speaking of, have you decided which college you want to go to yet?
Not yet.
Well, can you start putting more effort into that?
Yep, I'll put more effort into it. Yeah, I guess it's been like this recently. I'll just go home after school and try to be productive. It never really works out that well. So I'll end up finding ways to pass the time. I'll get bored of whatever I'm doing and go back to studying. But for some reason, I just can't anymore. Plus, I've been wasting so much time on my phone, literally doing nothing. It's like I'll get stuck on it. If there's still some time left to waste, I'll hit up friends.
Oh, it's cold. What are we even doing?
I don't know, we'll figure it out.
Yo, can I drive?
Sure.
Hey, why are you on this side, bro? Get on the other side.
Oh, this is my side.
Go ahead, I'm on this side. Get back there! God! Get in.
Most of the time, I believe hanging out with friends is a huge waste of time.
This is some old camera I got recently.
I mean, it's mostly just a bunch of nonsense.
Yeah.
But at the same time, hanging out has been the only time I'm having fun.
Oh man, first time driving stick? I'm starting. Hey, Atticus.
I'm purely just in the moment.
Damn, I'm hungry. Let's go.
And that's good.
Let's eat! You guys want to get pizza or something?
I feel happier when I'm not stuck inside my own head. But, it's kind of been worse recently.
Yo. You guys hear that? What? What? Bro, what?
What the? Happy birthday!
What? Anthony? How and when did you get in there?
Happy birthday, Jonas.
My birthday's not till next week.
Bro, Atticus told me it was today. You're such an idiot. Something totally different every single time somebody says that. It's honestly pretty moist. You dip it in the ranch, right? The mingle. Come on, buddy. It might be the best thing I've ever had in my life, ever. That's 7 out of 10.
Bro, why are you so sad right now? It's your birthday.
Just got a lot on my mind, man. Also, it's not my birthday. But why do you keep saying it's my birthday? Do you feel better now?
You know, it's kind of something that's off and on. I'll be good one moment, and then I'm like back to overthinking things. I couldn't really say why.
Alright, you guys, if I could get your attention, please. It's a big day, test today. I hope everyone has studied. I hope everyone went through the review packet, finished it up. I'm going to collect those before we start the test. So if everyone could just hand up their review packet, that'd be great.
Yeah, that math final is where it all went south.
Hey, Jonah, did you study for the test? What?
Jonah, where's your packet?
I didn't finish it. You think I could turn it in like maybe next week?
No, Jonah. You were supposed to use it to study for the final that's happening right now.
I honestly didn't think I would do that bad.
No way, I just bombed that test. I should have gone out stupid. I need to study that test before I really bomb that test. It's crazy that much.
I've never really failed the test before. I kept overthinking how I ended up steeping so low.
Can you help me with this? Tell me how this sounds. Me and my friend were back there at campsite.
Oh no, what am I gonna tell my mom? She's gonna be so mad. I should have studied last night. Oh no, I've never failed the test before. I go out to hang out with my friends. I need to go home. My mom's gonna be so mad. I can't go home. My mom's gonna be so mad. What am I gonna tell her?
How does that sound?
Yeah, it sounds pretty good.
Is there anything I could change to it?
It's good, man. Hey, sorry though. I have to go.
Oh, okay. Thank you then.
I failed myself. I failed my mom. I really messed up. GPA ruined.
Jonah? Hey.
Yeah.
We need to talk. I got an email from your teacher about your test and you failed. What's going on? Jonah, I'm really, really shocked and disappointed. I thought you've been in your room this entire time studying, unless you've been playing video games instead of studying. And what have you been doing when you're not at home? Have you been just hanging out with your friends?
No, it's not that. It's just I've been really busy with stuff and stressed out, I guess.
Can we sit down and talk about this? So what can we do to get your grade up?
I can't.
What do you mean you can't?
That was the semester final and there's no corrections, there's no retakes, there's no other assignments for the rest of the semester. And like...
Jonah, this is unacceptable.
What else do you want me to say? I'm sorry I disappointed you, okay? The test was harder than I thought it was gonna be. I didn't study enough. I don't know. Sorry, I've had a lot on my plate, okay? I don't know. Can we just stop talking about this?
Hey, you need to get your priorities straight. I don't want you failing any more of your tests, okay?
Yeah, I'll study more, I guess.
I'm serious. Can you promise me that?
My mom got pretty upset with me, but I was still more mad at myself. I didn't know how I became so bad at studying. Yeah, I promised her I would pass all my other classes, but I didn't really feel like trying anymore. My good grade streak was over. I didn't do very well on the other finals too. Most were D's or C's, some B's. They could have been A's. Everyone was just talking to each other about their grades, so I tried to avoid people in general. I didn't want to admit it, that I failed. My friends invited me to things, but I acted like I was busy. It was hard to lie. I knew that I put myself in this position, so I alone had to fix it. I felt like I needed to change, but I didn't know how to start. What I didn't realize was that isolation made it worse. Not the bad study habits, but my mood. I kept questioning whether it was worth it to try anymore. I was so stuck on my failure. I felt hopeless. Something had to change.
Been holding all this in. Why?
It just sucks because, like, I feel like my mom is more upset with me, and I don't know what to tell her. And, like, I ruined my chance of getting that scholarship because of my bad study habits. And, like, because of all this, I just feel like I've just not been myself, and, like, I've been a bad friend, and I just wish, like...
Bro, just stop all this.
What?
Stop doing all this, bro. Keep worrying about things you can't change. Keep worrying about the past when you can't do anything about that, and you worry about the future where, well, we don't know what's gonna happen in the future. It's pointless.
But it's hard, like, I really messed up this time.
Look, I know it's hard to start thinking about this situation, and it sucks, but all the change has to come from now. Also, bro, pretty sure I failed my finals as well.
Wait, you too? For real? Can you say anything about it?
Nah, because from my perspective, bro, I feel like overthinking just takes you away from everything around you. When I get like this, when I start overthinking, bro, I just like look around me and try to distract myself basically with my surroundings. Also, it helps if you focus on your breathing as well.
Is that for real work though?
Yeah. about the mindset, bro.
What do you mean?
If you're always pessimistic, thinking about bad things, you're always going to be in that constant state of mind of, oh, I can't do this, oh, I can't do that. But if you think about the good outcomes and how you can progress or advance in what situation you're in, you're going to reach places you never thought you could reach.
It really got to my head. I mean, I tried like, I thought it'd be better to just like isolate myself and try and figure it out myself. But after talking with you, I feel kind of relieved.
So that's why you've been somewhere you've been around.
Oh, shut up, man. What do you want to do? You want to go get pizza? Hey, pizza, man!
We're out here, Mount Tabor. Happy birthday. You're supposed to say something.
Oh, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Jonah.
Do you have anything?
I'd like to say, you're supposed to raise your cup, bro.
So, thanks, bro. And, I'm sorry.
It's all good, bro.
Alright.
This is to friendship, guys.
Yeah.